Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to learn the environmental effects of chemical reactions. They are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, then rusting of iron and tarnishing of metal articles, especially silver articles. Okay, children. So these are the topics we are going to learn today. What are the topics we are going to learn today? The environmental effects of chemical reactions. Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, rusting of iron, tarnishing of metal articles, especially silver articles. Okay. When we hear the word industry, we immediately remember smoke. Great industries emit large amount of smoke into the atmosphere. What do these smoke do? They bring air pollution. See, this is large amount of smoke coming out of nuclear power plants. They produce air pollution. They make the atmospheric air unfit for breathing. As a result, we get various wheezing problems, asthma problems, and respiratory diseases we get. Okay, children. So this is air pollution. Acid rain. Have you heard of acid rain? Rainwater is the purest water which has got its pH value to be 7. We have learnt. What about acid rain? See, it means the pH of rainwater, that is 7, neutral pH is reduced to acid. It is lesser than 7. It is almost equal to 5.6. When the rainwater's pH is equal to 5.6, then it is called as acid rain. Acid comes down as rain, and so it is called as acid rain. What are the acids present in acid rain? They are nitric acid and sulfuric acid. How are these acids present in rain? Automobile exhausts, when they combine with rainwater, they come down to the earth as acids, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Nitric acid is produced from nitrogen oxides and sulfuric acid is produced from sulfur oxides. See, this acid rain is very harmful. It affects the whole environment. It affects the aquatic animals. It affects our skin. If it falls on our skin, it produces a skin problem, and it spoils the beauty of great buildings. See, one of the wonders of the world, Taj Mahal, is losing its beauty because of this acid rain, especially air pollution. Okay, children. See, global warming. The globe is getting warmed. Because of this, the ice cubes which are present in the polar ends, North Pole and South Pole of the globe, they start melting, and the water level of our globe increases. That is because of global warming. And here, the temperature of the globe increases and makes the living things which are already present in the globe feel very uncomfortable. This global warming makes the living beings on the globe to feel very uncomfortable because of the increase in the heat of the globe. So this is one of the bad effects of air pollution. Okay, children. So similarly, we are having land pollution and also water pollution. Because of various industrial exhausts, industrial waste mixing with the seawater, we are getting land pollution and also water pollution. Next one is rusting of iron. When iron comes in contact with water and air, it automatically starts rusting. See, this rusting is speeded up in the presence of salt. Look at the first test tube. It is water and air, and also one iron nail is there. Second tube is no water, only iron nail is there, and a drying agent, especially calcium chloride, is taken. Coming to the third one, third tube, no air, only water and iron are there. Coming to the fourth one, air, water, that is salt water and iron nail. Okay children, see in all the four test tubes one iron nail is taken and the conditions are different in all the four test tubes. In the first test tube it is the iron nail is in contact with air and water, so automatically it starts rusting. See, for an iron nail to be rusted, what are the conditions that it should have? It should have air and water, then it starts automatically rusting. Coming to the second and third tubes, test tubes, no water in the second one and in the third one no air. So no rusting of iron nail takes place. You can observe it, no rusting of iron nail. Then coming to the fourth test tube, air, salt water and also iron nail, they are in contact with each other. As a result, the iron nail starts rusting very speedily. Okay, so this is rusting of iron. Ferric oxide, the chemical compound ferric oxide is produced on iron nails, and this process is called as rusting of iron. Next one is tarnishing of metal articles. See, silver gets tarnished up, also copper gets tarnished up. Copper vessels, they get tarnished up. Tarnishing means the brightness, the shining capacity of the metal articles decreases as we are using it again and again. See, silver anklets, when we buy it from the shop, when they are very new, they are very bright and shiny. But after many years, they become tarnished because of the formation of silver sulfide. Silver sulfide. Okay, so this is called as tarnishing of silver due to the formation of the chemical compound silver sulfide. Silver sulfide. Okay children, so this is tarnishing. The shining capacity of the metals get decreased as time goes on, mainly because of the formation of silver sulfide. Similar to tarnishing of silver, we are having tarnishing of copper. The copper articles, copper vessels, they develop a green color substance over them when we use it for a longer time, and that is called as tarnishing of copper. That green colored substance which is formed over copper vessels is called as copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. Copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. And this formation, this chemicals, copper carbonate and copper hydroxide formation, that is the green layer which is formed over copper vessels, is called as tarnishing of silver. The silver articles become dull in their appearance, and that is called as tarnishing of silver. Okay children, I hope you might have understood today's class. Thank you children.